Hello guys, welcome back to Ultra Adventures. Today we are going to see the moon, our Chanda Mama. So guys, here you are seeing our moon, the Chanda Mama. So guys, let's start. Now first, there is our moon, and we are going to face our telescope towards the moon. I mean the finder scope. Roughly first. So roughly. We have placed the finder scope towards the moon. Now open the cap. Now we will align the finder scope towards the moon. To the moon. Towards the moon. So I will align it. So guys, you are now seeing the moon with the finder scope up. You are actually not seeing able to how it's aligned, but I am trying to make it clear. This is the maximum that I am able to do, and the clear picture will be attached at the last of the video, so keep watching. So here is the peak of the moon, which I am seeing with the minimum magnification, and I will increase the magnification. I will also tell you how to increase the magnification, and you will see the more clearer moon. So here is the minimum magnification moon, and you can see how good we are able to see the moon. So this is a 20 mm eyepiece through which we have just now seen the moon. Now I am going to change it. Here we have the 3x magnification, which will further clear our vision. I am using the same 20 mm eyepiece. 3x battle, sorry. The moon will keep moving. You have to just check the adjustments continuously so that it stays within our vision. And for this only, equatorial mount has been made to keep us steady and keep the plants Now I'm seeing a very awesome pic, and now you are going to see. So guys, you are now able to see the moon. I don't have a camera mode, so I am not able to give a more clearer vision, but I am trying harder. And here is the moon. I am giving a slight glance, so you can see how big it has now become and how much clear. And the day I am recording video today, the Mars is also close to the moon, but bad luckily you are not able to see it because of the cloudy weather. So we are going to remove all the ice piece as well as the 3x barrel. Now we are going to introduce the most powerful eyepiece, it's the 4mm eyepiece. So once again we are going to check our alignment, cause the moon will move. And it's very easy with the equatorial mount. I will suggest you to buy the equatorial mount than the ultra-azimuth mount. It's very cool. So guys, now you are able to see the moon. I hope you can see it. Though I agree, I am not able to do it correctly. So guys, I hope you are able to see the moon. Just a few glance. Hope you can see how the 4mm eyepiece is so strong and give such a clear view. And now we will change the much magnification, a clearer vision. So keep watching. So we're going to remove the 4mm eyepiece again, very gently, and again remove the 20mm eyepiece again from the 3x barrel, and then introduce it. Into it. And again introduce our 4mm eyepiece here. So you can imagine how much clearer vision we will get. Again you have to align it. Moon is aligned again. See it. And it's not inside that always be and moving this like a microscope. It's always fixed according to the eyepiece and instructions and everything. This will change. And you always need to keep precise movements of the particular mount. That's what it's made for. So guys, I hope you are able to see the clean moon. So guys, I hope you have liked the video, and now you can go out with your Celestron EQ 144 EQ and see our Chanta Mama very brightly. And our next video is coming soon on Jupiter or the Mars planet. Hope you would like it. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the like. Thank you very much for watching.